What's good, y'all, man? Um, Pretty much, I'm just gonna give y'all a little quick update video on what's going on with my car. Why I haven't been uploading, what's going on, why I haven't been staying consistent and all that, man. So it's just a little update video. So I'm gonna start with my car. Like pretty much, it's crazy. I've owned the car for about a year now, and it has its ups and downs. To be honest with you, I got the car with 14,000 miles. I put a lot of miles on the car. The car's got 50,000 miles now in 1 year. So that just shows you how much I drive the car. I enjoy this car a lot, man. I love the Mustangs. I love how they look, love how they drive. The 10-speed is great when it works. So pretty much what's been going on is my transmission's been having a lot of problems. So back then, like probably I'd say like a couple months ago, probably probably 4 or 5 months ago, my torque converter went out. When I was driving the car, I would feel a shaking coming from the rear end, like whenever it shifted gears. And so I took it in, found out it was a torque converter, but because of pandemic and all that shit, all the parts were on back order. So I couldn't get the part for like 3-4 months. So I was waiting for my car. 3-4 months I ain't had no car, nothing like that. So I really wasn't doing nothing. So I took a long break there from doing videos and stuff at that point. And then I got the car back, and y'all know I've been uploading lately, trying to get content out there. Some shit happens again, man. So I started to notice probably about a month and a half, 2 months ago, that my car was acting funny whenever I would step on it, and it would go down in gears. It would go down like really hard, like really, really aggressive. Like I never felt it get this aggressive before. So I punched it. When I punched on the gas, it would like kick me like hard, like something was breaking in the transmission. That was the first sign that I knew something was wrong with it. Second sign, I was hearing a weird noise coming from the transmission whenever I would shift the gears, like especially when let's say I had the windows open and I was next to a wall or I was next to a bus or something like that, something that would, vibrate sound back at me. Whenever I would shift the gears, I would hear a very like nasty, like not even like a rattle. I can't even explain it. It was like a really nasty sound coming from the transmission whenever I would shift the gears, and it started out real quiet. But then as the weeks progressed, it got louder and louder and louder. It got to the point where like people like down the street could hear it shifting. And it got to a point where I would stop and I would hear a whining noise coming from my transmission, like a constant whining noise. Like while I was sitting, it would go like, and if I had that sound, I'm gonna put it right here. And then it got to the point where, as y'all know, my door was messed up and my front bumper was messed up from doing stupid shit. So I got that fixed. Shout out to Superior Color and Collision in Lansing. Shout out to my boy Vinny for hooking me up with that. Him and his dad, they did a real good job with my car, man. They get a 5-star from me, bro. So y'all go fuck with them. I'm gonna put their little information in the description down below. But pretty much, while I was on the way there, not even on the way there, probably like a day or two before I took the car to the body shop to get that body work done, I could barely even move forward. Like I was putting it in drive, trying to leave my house to get to work in the morning, and the car would lunge and it would barely even try to move forward. The only way it would move forward is if I like stepped on the gas hard, and then it would pop real hard into gear, and then it would move forward, and then it would struggle going through gears. Like, man, something's wrong with my transmission. I thought it was blown. Thank God it's not, but I'll let y'all know what's going on with it in a second. So I'm stepping on the gas, the car is not moving, so I have to step on it harder and damn near wake up all my neighbors. Wake up all my neighbors, bro. And it's 5 o'clock in the morning, bro. I go to work. I work first shift, so I'm just up. All you hear is my car, and it's loud as shit. You already know my car loud. And it's just, I'm just stepping on it all the way up to like 5,000-6,000 RPM just to get it moving. And I knew something was wrong. So when I left my job, the car was barely moving. The only time the car would be good is when it's like steady in one gear. Like if I'm on the highway and I'm in one gear, that's the only time it'd be good. So once I got it to the shop, the car was barely even moving under its own power. I was like, man, what's going on? So they got the body work done. My bumpers fixed, my doors fixed, was cool. The car looked good, looked real good. Y'all gonna see that in the next part of this video. Luckily, I was able to drive the car to Grand Ledge Ford in Grand Ledge. That's the dealership I go to. I've been going to them with all my past Ford cars that I had. So, and shout out to my boy Michael, he worked there. And so right now it's at Grand Ledge Ford. Luckily, I was able to make it there. I didn't even think I was gonna be able to make it there, man. The car was struggling to move. So pretty much what I found out today is that my valve body went out, and apparently this is a common issue. My bro Jatavius, he has the gray one that y'all seen in my past videos. His valve body went out not too long ago also. So I guess the valve body with the 10-speed, the 10R80 transmissions is a common issue. So they're getting that taken care of, and pretty much the valve body fucked my torque converter up again. So this is my second time getting my torque converter replaced. So now I got to get my valve body replaced, my torque converter replaced. Thank God it's all under warranty, and I hit 50K miles. My warranty's up 60K miles, so I'm actually glad this happened right now so I can get that fixed and out the way. So the car should be back in a couple weeks. Once I get my car back, I'm going to upload content. I'm going to get back rolling with y'all boys, man. It's just every time I start to get back up on my content and upload consistently, my car break down. It was just so annoying. It was weird, man. My car, it's a 2018, bro. It shouldn't be happening, but I do beat on it. I get it. These things break. These things happen. You beat on the car, you got to expect shit like this. So, but I got real good content coming up for y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. The second part of this video happened 2 days ago. I recorded this 2 days ago, so if it seemed like I'm talking in the past or I'm re-saying shit that I already said, is because this video I took 2 days ago. So here's the second part of the video. And yeah, that's it. What's good with y'all boys, man? I'm out here at Grand Ledge Ford, pretty much to give y'all an update on what's going on with my car. Like, man, so I don't know, man. Pretty much what's been going on is I've been having these transmission issues ever since like I got the car, really, and it's just been getting like progressively worse and worse and worse, and it got to the point to where the car actually like won't move. Spider web all over. But it got to the point where the car actually won't even move. So I was driving, I took it to get the body work done, and I meant to bring y'all an update video on that, but as y'all can see, I got my door fixed. They did a really good job on that. It doesn't even look like anything happened to it. And I also got my front bumper fixed right here. So all of that is fixed, looks brand new. So I can see no screws in the bumper or nothing. But pretty much when I was on my way to the shop, the car was having a hard time moving. It was like lunging forward, and it's making these weird noises from the transmission. The transmission's buzzing. All type of shit's going on right now. So I really don't know what to do. I really don't know what's going on. So I took it here to figure out what's going on. Hopefully I don't need a new transmission. It is under warranty, so I don't gotta pay for it, so I'm not really tripping about that. But that's gonna be like another 3-4 months I'm away from my car. So we'll see what's going on, man. Waiting for them to look at it. They still haven't looked at the car yet. Apparently they need to get approval to break it down and do a tear down or whatever on it. So right now it's just sitting here. I don't know how long it's gonna be here at the dealership. I don't know when I'm gonna get the car back. So that's why I haven't really been bringing no content. This is just a little quick update for y'all. I will be bringing some content when I get back out, you know, whenever I can. I'm searching for another car right now currently, so I'm gonna bring y'all some content when I go to the dealerships, look at some other cars that I'm looking at getting into, either a Hellcat or a ZL1, Camaro ZL1. So trying to figure out what my next car is. Y'all tell me in the comments what y'all think I should get next after this, man. A Hellcat, or should I get a Camaro ZL1? There's a nice Camaro ZL1 at a dealership out here in Lansing, and I've seen a few Hellcats online for some pretty good, decent prices. So still, you know, it is what it is, man. You know, so it comes with the territory, man. These things, they're cars, man. They fuck up, shit breaks, you got to deal with it. I'm just tired of this shit, man, because it's like I've owned the car for a year, and it's been in the shop half of that shit. Like, it's been in the shop more times than I've probably, like, more months than I've damn near drove the car, bro. It's been in the shop so goddamn much. For it to be a brand new car, it just doesn't make sense to me why my transmission would go out, why I'm having so many transmission issues. I just had to replace the torque converter. That's why I took that long break last time, and now I don't know what's going on. I got all type of shit going on. I got something going on with the transmission up front, and then my rear end is making a weird clicking noise. It makes me think that my axle is going out or my axle is gone or whatever. So I don't even know, man. You know, it could be from all the spinning I'm doing, all the racing I'm doing. You know, when you do shit like that, it does put strain and stress on the components of the car. So you really got to be careful when you do shit like that. But it is what it is, man. This is just a quick update video for y'all boys. I'm gonna bring some more content, man. I promise y'all. We're gonna get to it, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next, man, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.